Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Myra from Low Carb Love, and today we're gonna be making a super simple chicken tender recipe. So it's gonna be super crispy, super delicious. I'm gonna show you two versions, one in the air fryer and one stovetop that's gonna be like a shallow fry. And I'm also going to show you, my favorite is usually with pork rinds because it's like what makes everything super, super crispy. But I'm also gonna be showing you that it can be done with protein powder. So for those of you that don't eat pork or just, you're not into the whole pork rind deal, you can actually make it with protein powder as well. So I'm gonna show you both versions as we go along. So let's get started with the pork rind version and I will show you how to do it. Okay, so we're gonna get started with our egg. So we're gonna do, you probably only need, depending on how much you're making, but if you're making about 4 good-sized chicken tenders, you'll need 2 eggs. Just so that you're not short on it, because then you'll have to basically crack it, while your hands are all messy and stuff. So you're just gonna give it a really quick whisk. You can use a little whisker or a fork. Okay, and that's gonna be fine. And now we're going to season our mixture. So again, we are using pork rinds and Parmesan cheese. So we'll just put it over here. We're gonna do 1/2 cup of pork rinds to 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. And this is the Parmesan cheese that comes in a can, so it's nothing fancy at all. This is really just like the, the green can that you use for spaghetti or whatever, well, at least what I did growing up. Now, I'm about that fancy life, so I get it from Traders, but we are going to use it for this because there's really it's a waste of good Parmesan cheese to actually use it for this recipe. Like, you're not gonna be able to taste the difference, but if that's all you have, then of course, use that. So we have 1/2 cup of Parmesan, 1/2 cup of the pork rinds, and now we have a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. This is some garlic powder, which is also a 1/2 teaspoon. And then this is like a Cajun seasoning and also a 1/2 teaspoon, okay? But you, of course, can use your seasonings of choice. You wanna go a little easy on the salt with the pork rind mixture if that's what you're using, because the pork rinds are naturally salty and so, or not naturally salty, but they already have salt. So you want to just not go crazy on the salt. And then of course the Parmesan cheese also has salt. So you just don't want like a super salty breading, okay? So now that this is all mixed together, now let's go ahead and start. subscribe to the channel, and you turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of my future videos and recipes. And of course, give this video a big thumbs up if you guys appreciate what I do for you guys and you love me so much. I love you guys so much, and I will see you on my next video. Mwah!